What's up, y'all? This is Crass. I'm gonna show you a quick melody hack that you can use right away. It's super dope. It's on the new FL Studio 20. Go get that. I'm using a plugin called Absynth from Native Instruments. Real dope. So first you go to your instrument and then you right click and you go to piano roll. Once you're in piano roll, you go up to the upper left, which is the piano roll options, and you click on helpers, and then you go to scale highlighting and you click on automatic. What this is gonna do, it's gonna make it too easy for you to make melodies. So now all you gotta do, turn on your metronome, hit play, and start placing notes. As soon as you place the third note, it's gonna give you the scale that you can follow. So watch. Here's the first note. I'm just doing it randomly. Here's the second note. There's the third note. Now look at that. All of the white plate areas, the shaded notes, are the notes that you can now play. So look, I'm not even going to listen to what I'm doing. I'm just gonna indiscriminately choose all of the shaded melody notes. And it's not, perfect right away, but you can hear something already, and you can adjust them from here. So I kind of like that. That's how easy it is to make a melody. And then of course you can add more things. But it's that easy. So again, you don't have to know anything about scales. You just go up to piano roll and you go to helpers, and then you go to scale highlighting, and then you go to automatic. So I'll do it one more time real quick just so you can see how easy it is. It makes melodies easy. Nobody should have any excuse now for saying that they don't know how to make melodies or anything like that, because it's as simple as putting out 3 notes on the piano roll, and just like magic, they'll all appear. So, this is a good situation. So I put the third note right here and it didn't fall into any scale. So you could say, well, I can still experiment with the notes that they're giving me. And then did you see it just adjust? So now it actually made it even better. It improved. But it actually took this first note off of the shading. So maybe you can move it down so it fits, and then that one moved. So sometimes it requires a little bit of that's cool too. I mean, I'm not mad at that. And another thing about your melodies, you want to change something. I mean, sometimes to avoid them being super monotonous, you want to change something in the second half. So you take the first half that you did and you duplicate it, and then change a little bit of something in the second one. So this is a real obscure melody. I'm not sure if it's your cup of tea. I kind of like it. But again, it's all preference. And then you can take your metronome off. So again, it's piano roll, upper left, helpers, scale highlighting, automatic. The first 3 you put down will show you and display the melody you're playing, and it's that simple. The dopest hack I've seen yet, FL20. Go ahead, start using that. Like, subscribe if this helped. Appreciate it. Holla at you soon. It's your boy Crass. Peace.